Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Yay! Get the arm out. Can you get the arm out? The arm's still trapped in there. The arm's still trapped. I can't get the arm out. Oh, can you get it out? Can you get the arm out? Let's see. There's the arm. It's still trapped. Can you get it out? Can you get it out? Oh, there it is. All right. All right. Oh, I'm going over. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. Here I go. Here I go. I'm going to do it. I'm going to really do it. Oh, I'm going to. Oh, it's scary. Okay. All right. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm tired, Dad. Let's do it one more time. Go ahead. Go ahead. Roll over. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Push with this hand. Push with this hand. Okay? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go ahead. It's not scary. You can do it. Whoa! Yay! Yay, Jordan! Yay! Yay! Good job, little man. Good job, little man. Whoa! Whoa!